Hey there, Carvana family. And I just wanted to start off by thanking everybody that got involved with that virtual 5K. The fighting racism one step at a time. And we were able to open up 100% of the proceeds to Organization of Choice. And ultimately, the one that got the most votes there through Give Butter was that Black Girls Run Foundation, a really awesome foundation. So together, we walked over 2,000 miles and we had a total of 4 million steps. That's a lot of steps. It'll take me a while to get to 4 million. When we had a total of 158 participants get in there to Move Springs and do the event all across the company, from HQ, Market Ops, Inspection Center, and Logistics. Finally, the total that we were able to raise, again, 100% of those proceeds going straight to Black Girls Run Foundation, the total is $2,427. Such a success, so awesome. Give it up to you guys. Thank you again for getting involved in this idea. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for getting involved, and can't wait to see y'all out there for the next few passion projects.